和印度认定是分离主义、恐怖分子的通缉的锡克教领袖尼贾尔，今年6月伫咧加拿大被杀害。加拿大总理杜鲁道即马就出来指控是印度的特务伫因境内杀死公民，佮强调这款行为等于是侵犯到加拿大的主权。加拿大嘛已经甲一个印度的高级情报官赶出境。
针对今年6月，有一位加拿大公民伫咧家己的领土上被杀害，加拿大总理杜鲁道10月伫咧国会表示，加拿大国安机构一直拢伫咧积极追查。根据掌握的消息显示，印度特务可能涉案。
Any involvement of a foreign government in the killing of a Canadian citizen on Canadian soil is an unacceptable violation of our sovereignty. It is contrary to the fundamental rules by which free, open, and democratic societies conduct themselves.
今年6月中，45岁锡克教领袖尼贾尔伫加拿大被牺牲一间锡克教的寺庙停车场，互人枪击死亡。因为尼贾尔在生的时阵主张，锡克族应该自印度的旁遮普邦独立出来，成做哈利斯坦国，和印度政府统治。 加拿大锡克教的人口超过77万，差不多占总人口的2%。印度的人口有140万到180万。
I think the wave of support that we saw post his death is just a small indication of how big of a stature Hardeep Singh had in the entire Sikh community internationally. This thing, it shook the community across the entire world, including in Punjab. Before us growing up, we always heard stories that as in like this would happen to you if you were in Punjab, that if you spoke out against the government, that you could be tortured and killed.
加拿大外交部证实，已经拘捕印度驻加拿大情报部门的负责人，杜鲁道伫咧这个月初G20峰会，甲印度总理莫迪见面的时阵，有讲到这件代志。不过，印度政府也对加拿大纵容印度的分离主义人士伫加拿大活动正不满，和两个国家的关系愈来愈倒退。公司新闻张伟林编辑。